Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. So, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Once again, I collected for you people the amazing and stunning Christmas crafting, Christmas tree decoration ideas, small, stylish, beautiful decoration piece for your Christmas, and all about Christmas tree decoration, small and beautiful decoration piece I just collected for you peoples, and you guys can easily make it in your homes. How you guys can decorate it, how you guys can design it. All designs and ideas are available in this video. All are so amazing and beautiful decoration ideas, so you guys can find different type of amazing beautiful Christmas tree designs as well as decoration ideas, simple as well as stylish and trendy as well actually. So all are for decoration. So for make at your homes this type of Christmas tree is really easy, and you guys can definitely love the all designs and ideas of Christmas tree which I collected for you peoples. Hopefully you guys will love it. You guys will never found this type of beautiful Christmas tree ideas, decoration ideas, home crafting ideas about Christmas on any other channel. You guys will only found only on my videos collection, different type of amazing beautiful ideas to decorate it, and this small beautiful collection you guys can only make it with your hands at your homes, and it will look so amazing and beautiful. So small and pretty beautiful Christmas tree ideas for decoration. And if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, I want to request you all, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you guys will never have to search my channel and video. Easily you guys can watch my all videos just through the notification. New latest trendy ideas you guys can easily watch just through the notification. And give me your reviews and your feedback much in the comment section. If you like my this video and ideas of Christmas tree for decoration, so it will be really helpful for me and motivate me as well to bring more amazing beautiful collection for you people. I really hope so much. Just like my every video, this video will also helpful for you guys, and different type of beautiful stuff you guys can also get. So I want to request you guys do watch my previous this and my upcoming videos as well, and I will be back again with my another amazing collection. Thank you.